Hello everyone, today we're doing something exciting. We are transitioning from one chord to the next. Let's say you've been playing a song in C and then you want to play the whole thing in another chord, D, a little bit higher. It's like a fresh start on your song. Sometimes when you sing a hymn and there's a lot of verses, then somewhere in the middle the pianist in your church might just transition to a higher note, and it sounds fresh and it gives you new vision to finish the song. So today's song is called I Know the Lord Will Make a Way for Me, and it's in C, but it's also going to be in D. So the chords for C is C, F and G, and the chords for D is D, A and G. But between the two, when I'm in that short space of time that I'm going to jump from C to D, I need a transition chord, which in this case is A seventh. It's like A with the middle finger gone. So I'm going to sing the little song once in C, and then you'll see me transitioning from C to D. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. I know the Lord will make a way for me. I know the Lord will make a way for me. If I live a holy life, shun the wrong and do the right, I know the Lord will make a way for me. I know the Lord will make a way for me. I know the Lord will make a way for me. If I live a holy life, shun the wrong and do the right, I know the Lord will make a way for me. So you saw that freshening up of the song. Sometimes we transition a few times. You can go from C and then to D and then to E and then to F, depending on what you require for your hymn or your song. So to work out what your transitioning chord will be, you take your new chord. Like I was busy in C and now I want to go to D. So I take my 5 fingers and I put D there, and then I count 5 more. D, E, F, G, A. Remember, there's no H. There's only 8 notes. So from D, I go D, E, F, G, A. So my transitioning chord will be A, but it must be a 7th, A 7th. And I showed you what it looked like. It's like A with the middle finger missing. Let's take another example. Say you want to go from G and I want to transition to A. Now I need to know what my transitioning chord is. So I'm going to A, so I put A on my finger. A, B, C, D, E. So my transitioning chord is going to be E 7th, which is like E, but with the middle string missing. So I'm going to play G, E 7th, A, so that you can hear the transition. So you can find the words and the chords in the description. And happy transitioning. I hope you get it right. Bye.